If you want to create a successful YouTube channel in 2025, I have 3 suggestions that can help you. Number 1, you need a good strategy. Number 2, you need good execution. Number 3, you need consistency. I'll break it all down for you detail by detail. Starting with how to have a good strategy. Well, first, identify your niche. If you need help choosing a niche, check out my video here on how to choose which niche might be interesting to you. Ideally, you want a niche that you're passionate about. Some popular examples are beauty tips, educational content, tech reviews, gaming. Research your competition to see how the pros are doing things and then add a unique angle to it. Next, invest in quality equipment. A good camera, mic, and lighting can improve the quality of your videos. I'll leave a link in the description of the equipment I'm currently using. Learning basic editing will help. For example, I use Canva to edit my videos. A well-edited video with smooth transitions, clear audio, and engaging visuals have a greater chance to retain viewers. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Use titles to spark curiosity, but stay away from clickbait. Optimize your content for SEO, search engine optimization. These are advanced tips, but trust me, if you learn how to do this, your channel will benefit in the long run. Use targeted keywords in your titles, description, and tags to help your content appear in search results. YouTube allows you to create playlists to organize similar content and keep the viewers watching. I have a video here that helps provide more detail how to optimize for SEO in YouTube Studios if you want to learn more about that. Engage with your audience, reply to every comment, and ask questions during your videos to encourage interaction. Collaboration with other creators in your niche helps with channel promotion and meeting new audiences. Check out my video on growing your audience on any social media platform here for more in-depth view. Promote your channel. You can share your videos on any social media platform. For example, I use TikTok to promote my YouTube channel. Network with other creators, join forums, and expand your reach. And don't forget to use CTAs, Call to Action, in your videos. We work hard on these videos, so ask your viewer to like or subscribe to your channel and hit that notification bell to stay notified. It's never a bad idea. Just let it be natural, not intrusive. Now I'm going to show you how do you execute a good plan. Plan your content. You want to create a content plan that outlines the type of videos you will create. For example, vlogs, tutorials, reviews. Write out scripts and outlines to your videos to help keep the viewer focused and engaged in your content. Start each video with a good hook to capture the viewer's attention. Do this as soon as they open the video so they'll keep wanting to watch. Analyze and improve each video by studying YouTube analytics to track which videos perform well and why. Learn from feedback and experiment with different formats. I have another video here where you can learn more about this topic. Now here's my last suggestion, how to stay consistent. Set a regular posting schedule. For example, once or twice a week, so your audience knows when to expect new content. You can even set your content to post at a later date. For example, if you're traveling and you want your content to post on a consistent schedule, then set it to post at a later date. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful channel takes time and consistency is key. Don't get discouraged by slow growth. Everyone goes through this and it's normal. Focus on improving each video and staying consistent. Follow these strategies and you can position your YouTube channel for long-term growth and success. If you like these videos, subscribe to my channel and we can grow together on YouTube. Thanks for watching.